Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now tea time snacks are something that we all love and enjoy, and today I'm going to show you a very quick and easy tea time snack with paneer. So this is Paneer Pakoras. So let's get into the recipe and see how we're going to make this. Transfer the grated paneer to a bowl. So I'm going to mix a few ingredients along with the grated paneer for the pakodas. To the paneer, add 2 medium-sized onions that are thinly sliced, 2 large green chillies finely chopped, ginger juliennes, some chopped coriander leaves, a few mint leaves. Season it with salt, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon hing or asafoetida powder. Mix everything together. So just make sure that the spice powders, that is the masala powders, coat everything beautifully. Add half cup of gram flour or besan, 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Mix everything together. Make sure that it coats the paneer and the onions and the mixture completely. So I'm just going to gradually pour a little water. It's just about binding together. So this is how we want. The paneer pakora mixture is ready now. So you can see it's come together beautifully. Next I'm going to make the pakoras. For this, take a nice deep kadai. Pour enough oil for deep frying. Heat the oil on medium flame. So once the oil is hot, take a little bit of the pakora mixture and gently drop it into the hot oil. Deep fry the pakoras till they're a lovely golden brown color. Make sure you maintain the flame on a medium throughout. So there you go. Here are these lovely crispy paneer pakoras. They look absolutely gorgeous. Now this can be best served either with some nice ketchup or mint chutney by the side. Make sure you serve it nice and hot. It's a great finger foods. I'm sure everybody will love it at home. So do try this recipe and let me know how it was.